Bethany Scott here, and welcome to my channel. Today I am chilling out and I'm finally getting to opening some things that have been sitting in the desk area that I was planning to filming and unboxing. This one actually is from Spellbinders, and it actually came in February. I don't remember when it was ordered. I do remember it was a sale, but the same day my February club embossing folder of the month came, which is called Spring Stripes. So we're just going to go ahead and open it, and if inspiration strikes, maybe we'll play, depending on how easily accessible my things are. I am slowly finding all of the things. This is the Glimmer Foil. Oh yeah, it was on a severe discount in Emerald Facets, and since I didn't have it already, I said, well, I will find a use for it. All right, next we have the the Field Notes sentiments. So these are just like for little sentiments that go with more spring themed things. A press plate on your wedding day, since it is wedding season, and I do intend to make wedding cards this year. Always and forever, so that could be wedding or anniversary. This is such a cute stencil set. It's different. It's two different layering stencils and then 4 masks, so you can see how they cut out and pop out here. One of them, I think it looks like already popped out, but you can create different kinds of depth and illusions with this, and I felt like this was a really good basic to have. No, this one's just for fun, but this is the press plate and dies for, it was from back in June 2024. Sending a sunny hello, wishing you a relaxing birthday. So this is just one of those. I'm gonna play with it and see how I like it. Definitely, I don't know that I've actually officially used any press plates for foiling, but I will eventually. Once I get that whole cart set up. This is Joyful Holly, excuse me. This is from the Christmas in July of 2024, but it's a glimmer of the month, so it has the glimmer plates plus then the die cuts for it, and you know me, I always love Christmas things. This is another glimmer of the month from November 24, and it has Confetti Burst is the name of this foil plate, and happy birthday, and I'm going to have to read that backwards. No, I'm not going to read it backwards. It says, oh, it won't show me what it says. I have to read it backward. It's your day to sparkle. I think that's what that says. I can't read cursive backwards. I can read cursive forwards, thankfully, but not backwards. And it does coordinate with a couple other dies, and I did not get those, but I do know that they're there. I believe some of them are still in stock. This one, I actually think I may already have, but I couldn't see it. So if I do already have it, guess what? Someone's going to get this in a giveaway. I am very close to 900 subbies, so that giveaway may be very soon. I actually do have two prize packs already put together, ready to go, because of course I'm starting to go through all the things in D-Stash. So if you want to be part of that, spread the word so we can get to 900 subbies, so then I can release a giveaway. But this one was really cute anyways. I figured if I do find I have it, it's a giveaway. But eat cake, it's party time, pop, clink, fizz, and it coordinates with this hot foil and die set, which is party balloons. So you can put these little sentiments right on the front of these balloons, and I thought that was perfect. This is another press plate that can be used for foiling. I would probably do a double foiling, so foil one color on the outside and the happy birthday to you on the inside with a different color. This one coordinates with that other previous, it's not the exact same, I should say. This one is peacock feathers. I had a roommate in my mid-20s who was obsessed with peacock feathers. In fact, her wedding was everything peacock feathers. So, every time I see peacock feathers, I think of her. Hi, Ange, if you're ever on here. But she is one of those people. She was my artist friend first, and then we became roommates. We stayed really good friends even after that. She was probably the only roommate that I was still friends with when we moved out. It's just one of those things. Don't move in with a really, really good friend. Just move in with a good friend. And she was a good friend. So, the "You're fabulous and love you," I'll use that probably for anything. But really good press plate and die set that will get turned into something. And then this was one I've had in my to buy list for a while, and it's the Making Me Smile sentiments hot foil and die set. And I love the sentiments on this. Sending health and happiness. Thanks for making me smile. Touched beyond words. These are just like thank yous, but a little bit more specific to the person. And "You're pretty amazing." That's something I would say to somebody in real life. So, these are one of those sets that kind of just speak my language. So I love them. And then a 3D embossing folder. I don't know how I missed this one, but it's called the Born to Sparkle, and it looks like diamonds. You could princess this up. You could use it for a bachelorette party or a bridal shower. Like, so many different ideas with that one. Be the Light. This is a press and die die set. So these are just little sentiment strips, and then you just bulk press out and foil your sentiments and call it a day. But dream big, sparkle more, less bitter, more glitter, leave a little sparkle, the world needs more of you, you've got that birthday glow. Just really fun sentiments. So then the press plate and die set, some of these are the same exact sentiments, but it's one of those in a more fancy way. So they kind of coordinate, but I don't know that I would put the same exact sentiment twice. I don't know. And then this is a similar thing. Friends make every view brighter. Celebrate life in full color. Your kindness is my rainbow. Just really good sentiments to add. And apparently I've double bought this 3D embossing folder because it is part of the Born to Sparkle emboss and stencil set. Whoops. So guess what? It's going to be in the next freebie. Now you know for sure. This Born to Sparkle 3D embossing folder will be in that. I don't know how that happened. Apparently I didn't read the details very well. I thought it was just a coordinating stencil. Whoops. Sorry, not sorry. Most of these, actually all of these, require a embossing machine that I do not have nearby. So, with that said, I'm going to stop filming this and unbox something different. And I will come back and play with a lot of these. Don't you worry. I will come back and play with a lot of these when I have my my die machine set up. Well, I'm deciding if I'm going to use the Glimmer or if I'm going to use my any of my other embossing machines. I'm not sold on the Glimmer yet, but that is the only one that currently kind of has a home, but it's not accessible. So filming with it is going to be interesting. So I'm going to table this because I didn't realize that this entire box is going to need a machine I don't have ready to use. But in any case, thank you for joining my box unboxing, and at some point I will have all of my ducks in a row and everything put back together so I can show you some fun tricks and just play and have fun. Maybe do a live. I'm hoping to do a live. I know I have one planned for a while in the future, but I have two other people that I'm hoping to join their channel and do a live on their channel and maybe do some cross posting on my own channel. We'll see how that goes. No promises, but I hope to, just expand what I've been doing and loving for a while, and I have some links to shop down below, both Mary Kay and Crafty links. So if you would like to support, please do so. Click, click, click. Otherwise, life is good and just moving and grooving. A lot going on all the time. It is tax season, so I'm a busy gal. But I'm also taking time to enjoy the day and unbox things and sometimes play with them. Not in the moment right now, but anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to find the joy in your day and happy making. Bye!